All right, the next thing that we are going to do is talk about our 3D shapes. We know that we have talked about a cone, a cylinder, a cube, and a sphere. We've talked about real world objects, and we are going to make some 3D shapes today. I asked you guys to gather some toothpicks and some marshmallows. If you don't have marshmallows, you can use Play-Doh. If you don't have toothpicks, you could use like raw spaghetti. You have to just be creative. Whatever you have will be okay. So the first shape that we're going to make is the cube. So we're going to start with our base. We know that the base is the bottom part of the shape and it's a square, right? So we would take a marshmallow and snap it on both sides. And we would make a square. So this is the base. This is just a square. This is not 3D. This is 2D. This would be a flat shape, right? So we are going to build up. And if we build up, that means that we need one toothpick coming out from above each marshmallow. And then I'm going to give each of those toothpicks a marshmallow on top. Uh-oh, one of them's falling. And then I tie it together with four more toothpicks to go all the way around. And now we have our cube. The next shape that we are going to make is a cone. Our cone is going to look a little bit different because we know that the base of the cone is actually a circle, and we can't make a circle with a toothpick because we would need the toothpick to bend, but maybe with the spaghetti. So we are going to actually make a triangular base, but we're going to pretend that it's a circle for the time being. And then we're going to make it come up to one point. This is also going to be called a rectangular prism whenever you guys get up into the older grades. But for now, we are going to focus on it being a cone-like shape. We said that this is kind of like a birthday hat, right? Or maybe like an ice cream cone. So then I have my triangle and we're gonna pretend this is a circle. And then I'm going to stick one toothpick on each marshmallow. And then we are going to put one marshmallow at the top. And we're going to stick all of the toothpicks into the marshmallow. And now we have something that looks like a little birthday hat. The next one that we will build is we have a cone, a cube. Now we need our last one that we can make. Sorry, my cube is slanting over. The cylinder. So like I said, the cylinder. So for the triangle, we're just going to pretend that it has a triangular base, but we know that a cylinder has a circle base. That means the top and the bottom are circle, like on a soda can. So we're going to make the triangle again. Just kidding. And then this time, instead of going straight up to one point, it actually goes back up to another circle. So we're gonna make one more triangular base. And again, we're gonna pretend it's a circle. And we're going to stick the marshmallows together to make that same shape that we just made the triangle. And then we are going to connect them to make it 3D. So here's my triangle, same shape, right? So I'm going to have it sit right on top of the other triangle. So I need 3 toothpicks, one coming out of each marshmallow. And then I'm just gonna set it right on top. And then stick the toothpicks in. And I have my next shape. Later on, you will find out that this is called a triangular prism, but for now we're pretending that these are circles on top and this is a circle on the bottom, and it makes a soda can looking shape. So pretend you're drinking a soda. And then the last one that we're going to make is a sphere. And we know a sphere looks just like a ball, right? And it's kind of hard to make a ball out of any other shape because we know that a ball is very round. So I'm just going to take a lot of my marshmallows and I am going to squish them all together and make a big, well, not big, a little sphere. Almost like the shape of your head, right? And that is all. Have fun, guys.